Here we will make paneer tikka masala. You will need 200 grams of paneer. Marinate the paneer in tandoor masala and place on a grill rack. Allow it to stand and marinate for at least half an hour. The excess marinade should drip off. Place the grill rack inside the oven and shut the door. Press the combi button to choose a